Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright, so I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show how a man escaped from persons who are said to be police officers who was trying to arrest or detain the man. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly why the man was being detained or arrested by those persons who are said to be police officers, and the video also shows the man resisting from being detained or arrested by those persons who are said to be police officers, viewers and subscribers. As I say, I don't even have the confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. In at least one part of the video, you can see where those persons who are said to be police officers was holding on to the man, and somehow the man escaped from those persons and ran away from those persons. At least one of those persons who are said to be police officers somewhat chased the man, but didn't catch the man, viewers and subscribers. I don't know if the man had been captured after this video had been recorded. But anyways, tell me what you think about this video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me. Everything you word for now.
Hey man, you fall. Hey, what you gun fall there?
I gun that drop.
Yeah, them real play with you, right?
Gun. Jamaicans that say gun like a kite. My people. And a real world, that look a weird though, my people. You see me, I said, they never hold on upon that person good, you understand? Yeah, they never hold on upon that person, the good viewers and subscribers, you understand? You know, some of the comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons find the video to be funny. Some persons talk about those police officers, you know, basically implying and are saying that they need training and all them things. As I mean, I say all different kind of things person said about this video that I just presented to you. You know, that look how we still do viewers and subscribers, you know. Now, after I read news articles where it is said that a man fired gunshots while at a police station in Manchester, Jamaica on the 25th of January the year 2022, I saw pictures and videos posted on social media about a man who had been accused of firing gunshots at the police station in Manchester, Jamaica. Now, I saw a video posted on social media, and the video is about someone interviewing someone. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to me carefully because I cannot identify any of those persons who I heard in the video. The video that I saw didn't really show anyone's face because the video was somewhat obscured. You understand, viewers and subscribers? However, according to some things that I heard in the video, and according to how the video had been posted different places on social media, allegedly it is said that one of those persons who I heard in the video is said to be the man who had been accused of firing gunshots while at the Cross Keys police station in Manchester, Jamaica on the 25th of January the year 2022. Viewers and subscribers, again, I cannot confirm if any of those persons who I heard in the video is actually the person who had been accused of firing gunshots at or while at the police station in Manchester, Jamaica. No, I cannot. However, I'm going to explain to you in my words, according to how I understand some things that the person said in that video. See? Now, please bear in mind that the things that I'm about to say might not be word for word and might not be as accurate as to how the person said those things in the video. But the person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that he went to the Cross Keys police station in Manchester, Jamaica on the 25th of January the year 2022. And while he was there, he noticed that police officers who was at that location was acting certain ways. And he said that one of those police officers told him to step in. In my words and to my understanding is like he basically said that the police officer told him to step in, that's inside the police station, to sign. Now, when the person says signing of viewers and subscribers, I assume that the person means to sign some form of book or so forth, because the accused is said to be out on bail, and part of the bail condition is to report to the police station. I don't know how often or when or so forth. So me never get into those details. However, the person also said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that a police officer hold on to him or grab him and him flash off the police officer and step outside. Again, I assume that the person means step out of the police station. And then the person also said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that police fired shots over his head and are at him at the same time. So may I say, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, there's a part of the video, you know, the person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person also said that the driver for a motor vehicle that he traveled in to reach that police station, the driver of the motor vehicle and him ran down the motor vehicle and jumped on the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. You understand? See? Now, I'm not going to add nothing to the things where the person say. I'm not going to take nothing from the things where the person say. You understand me, I say, viewers and subscribers, because I cannot confirm if the person who basically said those things is actually the person who had been accused of firing gunshots while at a police station in Manchester, Jamaica. No, I cannot. You see me, I say? But if the person who I heard in that video actually is that person, and if the things that the person said in that video are actually true, viewers and subscribers, then this whole thing needs some real looking into, don't it? You see me? Because if the accused really and truly fired shots at the police station, there should be some form of evidence. So may I say, yeah, whether it wants to be spank shell or whatsoever, even cameras. You get the message, viewers and subscribers? See? So me I left that right there. So you see me I say, I hope you understand me I say, my people, because me really and truly have explained this to you. You see? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show when a man stole a mirror off of a motor vehicle that was parked. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded. And if you look at the video carefully, you can see a date on the video and with time on it as well. So I say, yeah, and you know, viewers and subscribers, this video brings some form of awareness to me. You see me? Yeah, because I start to have said to myself, and I wonder then, suppose me park my motor vehicle and then someone really and truly would go out of them way to steal a mirror from off of my motor vehicle. And I'm talking about like the wave view mirror. You know, that mirror up on the side where you can use to look behind you. You know, try to see a blind spot, as how some people might say. You understand? Yeah, try. I say try. You see what I say? Anyways, my people, I want to tell you what to think about this video and observe. Watch it. Watch that. Look carefully now, people. Look there. Look on this person. Like for real. That's petty. Really, really petty. No one should do things like that. No one should do things like that, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? One of the reasons why I present that video to you is because this video also is being talked about on social media. And I real, you know, see through certain things, don't depend on my mind, me not pre certain things. You see, me not think say a man would really and truly thief or steal the rear view mirror from half of your motor vehicle. Me not pre that. You know what I mean? Like for real. A man supposed to can park in motor vehicle with all the door and walk, man, don't fret about nothing. Because the motor vehicle belongs to you. Nobody not supposed to try to thief the motor vehicle or thief anything from half the motor vehicle. You see me I say? When we are going to reach to a world like that, viewers and subscribers? But on a real, this really and truly, this bad. A mirror. Just a mirror. Like for real. They tell me say the person couldn't go buy a mirror. Eh? Look away. I bet they did beg the mirror. Anyways, I have some of the viewers and subscribers. You know, I'm going to leave it right here. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.